How are personal trainers building six-figure online coaching businesses in 2026? You may have seen my content and you'll see skilled, experienced personal trainers talking about the fact that they now have very successful online coaching businesses. And you might be thinking, is it a specific content strategy? Is it a specific funnel? What is it that they're actually doing? I've helped hundreds of personal trainers make the transition in full or part to building wildly successful online coaching businesses. And in this video, I want to talk to you about 5 key areas that genuinely separate what the six-figure earners are doing with the coaches that generally are watching them achieve incredible success. Now, the first thing is that they have an incredible vision. Now, let me start off by saying that I am a personal trainer. I've been in the industry 25 years. I had one of the most successful personal training gyms in the UK for 15 years. I was on the gym floor coaching for 15 years. I come from that place that many of you watching this video are at now. Maybe you were a PT and you're a very successful online coach, but I've been there, I get this. But these coaches that are where you would like to be right now, they have an insane vision. Back when I was 23, 24, just starting out as a PT, within a few months I said, do you know what? I want to be the best coach in this gym. I want to be the best known, the best results, and the most amount of clients. I created a vision with clarity and certainty, and every single day, I led that day with intention and desire and focus to be the best coach. And do you know what? I didn't distract myself in the gym. I was focused on what I needed to do to achieve it. And the point about building a six-figure online coaching business is that the vision and the actions and the intentions have to be aligned with where you want to be. A lot of coaches will say, I'm looking for the tactic, looking for the content strategy. But I'm like, you're looking in the wrong place. Because how you're behaving on a day-to-day basis is not the actions and identity and behavior of somebody that is going to get there. So if I was to look at, what is a trait of a six-figure online coaching business owner, is that they'll constantly talk about their vision, where they're trying to get to, what they're trying to achieve, to the point where they're just pushing anything else aside and cracking on to build the life that they want to achieve. You see somebody like this, and much like people that are, you go to the gym and you see somebody that's dedicated to a bodybuilding prep or a fitness prep or an event prep, high rolls, CrossFit, whatever. If they're training for something, an outcome in 16, 20 weeks, they block everything else out. You can see that clearly. And that's why when you have somebody that wants to achieve a fat loss result or an event or whatever it is, they're dialed in. You can see six-figure coaches that are actually successful online, they are working towards something with intention. So I just want to put this back to yourself. Are you living every single day with the intention of being a six-figure online coach? I am going to say this, there is nothing wrong in having a financial goal ahead of yourself. In any walk of life, when we're actually trying to have success in our life, freedom of time, fulfillment in our relationships with our partners, health, well-being, having a health and fitness goal, having a financial goal, having a relationship goal, having a location independence goal, having a spiritual goal in yourself. All of these, when we're ticking the boxes, equal true fulfillment. And do you know the funny thing is, there is not a coach inside our coaching concierge program who on a week-to-week basis doesn't actually acknowledge, wow, I feel so good. I made a sale. I collected some money. I got some, it's helping me do the things that I want to do. Coaches building a six-figure business are absolutely relentless towards a vision. The second area, and if I could summarize all of these 5 into one, which I think is one of the missing links for so many successful coaches, or the missing links for so many coaches that want to be successful, should I say, is the gaps in their knowledge. Only yesterday, I paid $750 for a course on a particular subject. And since I've downloaded it, whether it's been on the Stairmaster, waking up at 5:45 this morning, I've been listening to that course filling my mind with new knowledge. I'm 48, I've been in the industry for 25 years. There is not a morning in my life that goes by where I don't do half an hour of education. Something new, empowering my brain. The coaches that are earning six figures online, the PTs who have made this move, they're relentless studiers. I got people at the moment, which is crazy. I see coaches, they're delegating to a marketing agency before they even understand marketing, right? They're giving away the thing that is going to help them to be more successful, which is understanding their offer, positioning, messaging, content structure, content alignment. You know, they want somebody to do sales calls for them before they understand sales. There is a gap, and this is funny. If you're earning 5 figures, you want to get to 6 figures. It's not just work, it's knowledge. Now, what I've done is I've actually put together the 6-figure online coaching blueprint, which is your opportunity to not only audit what you're doing right now, but go through a specific list and say, have I got all these things in place? Can I take this away, look at what I'm doing, look at where I want to get to, and take away some actionable steps to actually start to work towards your own 6-figure business? Now, all you need to do is click the link in the description. You'll take the full 6-figure business audit and the blueprint, be able to see where you're at and start working towards your very own 6-figure online business. If you are out of shape and you want to get in shape, seeing a PT is not going to get you there. However, understanding, like seeing a PT might thrash the shit out of you to just get some weight off in the short term, but the weight comes back on as soon as you stop having the pressure. But if you learn what got you to here, fat, out of shape, and the thing that's going to get you to be long-term in shape, that gap is knowledge. So you've got to actually learn and invest. And when you hire a mentor, you know, the coaches inside Coaching Concierge, they come with the intention to learn. You know, the ones that fail, and we have people that come in, pay, and don't do anything. And it blows my mind. The 6-figure earners, I say, what have you learned since you've been with us at Coaching Concierge? Oh my God, I understand marketing now, lead generation, sales now, understand how to manage and lead my team, understand about Facebook ad strategies. I understand coaching service and delivery at a completely different level. These coaches, unbelievable learners. They're committed and dedicated to learning. So the second thing there is, if you want to be a 6-figure coach, you've got to fill the gaps in the knowledge. Where are you now and where do you want to get to? The third thing with the 6-figure online coaches, the PTs that have done this successfully across, is I see this time and time again. They do not jump on trends. I do not see the most successful coaches that are consistently growing jumping from one thing to the other. Oh, I'm going to jump on that viral thing. Oh, I'm going to try that. Oh, I'm going to do this. They are building brands, which if you've watched any of my previous videos on how you build an actual personal fitness coaching brand, they're very clear on their audience, who they help, right? There's an absolute clarity with what they're doing. And when you're building a brand, you're very intentional about what you're putting out there, who it's to, who it's for. When you're jumping on trends, you're becoming very, very distracted. So when you stop and you say, what am I trying to build? You know, this blends very nicely with point number 4, is they know their person. So they know what they're trying to build, which is 3, they're not jumping from trends. And then they know who it's for, which is number 4. When you put these things together, you end up with a very, very clear offer. Well, when you're clear on your vision, you're filling your gaps of your knowledge, you're not jumping on trends, and you're specific about who your messaging is for, then you end up with the very, very clear direction and a very, very clear offer. And that stops coaches being distracted. It gives them one singular point of focus. So if you want to build this very, very successful business, you want to get to 6-figure business, you don't be a trend hopper. You be a brand builder. And then number 5, this is very, very important, is to not look at online coaching as a side hustle. I've never seen anybody in all of my 15 years of coaching business online make a success of online coaching as a side hustle. And this is probably one of the biggest challenging aspects for me when you work with coaches that have got something else going on like personal training or another job or whatever, and they're just dipping their toe in with online coaching. I want to give online coaching the respect that it deserves. It's a profession, it's a business. It requires your all-in attention. Oh, I'm just going to put a post out twice a week and expect I'm going to get clients. Like, what planet are you on? You know, the reason personal trainers are building a 6-figure online coaching business is because they're all in. They're committed, they're dedicated, they're focused, they're giving all of their time every single day to building the business. You know, I've got some people putting part-time effort in because they've got their children, they've got their family. I've got kids, I've got a son, I've got a wife, I've got a life, I've got a business, you know, but I don't put part-time effort in and expect to get maximal results. I align the time that I've got with my family, but I also dial in fully with my business. And this is the same for all of the 6-figure coaches that we work with. They are fully committed and dedicated, and they never ask me questions such as, how much time do I need? In 25 years, have never asked, how much time do I need? 6-figure earners, the traits of these 6-figure earners, they are relentless in the pursuit of a financial goal. And look, as I said, there's nothing wrong with having a financial goal, because 99% of the time, the coaches that we work with, they care about clients, results, service. There's somebody that just wants to make money, but they never really get very far if it's just about the money. For me, coaches want to attract the right clients, deliver an amazing service, build an incredible reputation, have a great brand, make money, have a great quality of life, have a great family, develop their business entrepreneurially. You know, it's a multifaceted thing, but ultimately they have a relentless that they want to make more money, impact their lives, more freedom, more time, etc. They fill that gap of knowledge that they lack. They're not jumping on trends. They're very, very specific about the person that they want to attract. And it's not a side hustle. Now, if you could just tick, 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 and say, I have all of those, I guarantee that you're firing on all cylinders, heading towards being able to build a 6-figure business. If you don't, start ticking the boxes. Start saying, where's my gap in my knowledge? How can I get crystal clear on my vision? How can I stop being distracted and actually align with the brand? And then get absolutely dialed in with who you want to work with. Because I tell you what, right now, the hundreds of people every single year that we help build 5, 10, 15, 20K a month plus businesses, these people are all in building something that they never thought was possible. And it's in front of them because of their commitment, dedication, and being absolutely all in. So that's how personal trainers are building very successful 6-figure online coaching businesses. Now, if you found this video helpful, as always, click like, click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.